As a practicing nurse, you need fast, reliable answers for reference, review, learning, and confident decision-making in clinical practice. AccessAPN from McGraw-Hill, in partnership with Sigma Theta Tau, is your trusted on-demand medical resource, authoritative, up-to-date, and built to inform clinical decision-making. From leading textbooks to videos, podcasts, infographics, self-assessments, and diagnostic tools, AccessAPN supports your daily practice and ongoing learning. Accessible anytime, anywhere, and optimized for mobile, it's the knowledge you need exactly when you need it. AccessAPN features a wide range of content that aligns perfectly with the curricula of advanced practice nursing programs, including for nurse practitioners, clinical nurse specialists, certified registered nurse anesthetists, certified nurse midwives, and doctors of nursing practice. AccessAPN is mobile friendly. We encourage all users to create a free Access profile and sign in. When you're signed in, you will see your name and your institutional affiliation. Once you have your credentials, you can also download and sign into our free Access app. It's important to note that you need to connect to your institution subscription to AccessAPN. Under the Books tab on AccessAPN, you can view the complete library of titles organized in the left-hand table. Leading titles on AccessAPN include Johns Hopkins Evidence-Based Practice for Nurses and Healthcare Professionals, Model and Guidelines, 5th edition, a proven foundational book on evidence-based practice in nursing and healthcare, with proven strategies to build leadership, improve culture, and elevate outcomes, whether you're bedside or in leadership. It is fully revised with updated content based on over a decade of real-life use and feedback. And our critical care nursing titles, AACN Essentials of Critical Care Nursing, your go-to for mastering critical care, organized from basics to advanced, great for point-of-care use and CCRN prep, and AACN Essentials of Progressive Care Nursing, endorsed by the American Association of Critical Care Nurses. These are essential tools for clinicians at the point of care and CCRN certification preparation. Find other texts under our menu topics, including evidence-based practice, critical care, health policy, and transcultural nursing. If you need fast visual refreshers, check out Natter quarterly abstracts under quick reference on AccessAPN. These downloadable one-pagers pair perfectly with the Natter videos in the video and audio tab. Topics include hypercalcemia, hyperthyroidism, pheochromocytoma, and ketoacidosis. You can download, print, share, save, or even annotate them. Great for quick study or clinical reference on the go. Below, access additional outputs, including links to corresponding videos. Let's visit them and other useful multimedia under the Video and Audio tab. APN's Multimedia section has you covered with dozens of clinical videos and animations. In Natter's quarterly abstracts, find 5 to 10 minute videos with visual abstracts by Mike Natter, a recognized expert in endocrinology. These are short, expert-led videos on real-world endocrine cases. Check out the MedCram series, which are whiteboard videos with voiceovers addressing complex but frequently encountered topics. Topics include electrocardiogram interpretation, covering rate, rhythm, tachycardia, blocks, and infarctions. Additionally, find videos on CBC results and vasopressors. These resources are ideal for nurses needing quick visual explanations of complex cardiac topics. Videos come with durable URLs for easy pairing and integration into clinical practice or teaching. In our psychiatric case-based videos by Symptom Media, find concise videos on relevant topics such as anxiety disorders, personality disorders, trauma, and substance abuse. All videos are mobile-friendly, easy to use, and perfect for on-the-go review. While we're on the topic of psychiatry, check out our psychiatry resource collection under the More tab for key resources such as current diagnosis and treatment psychiatry, psychiatry case files, and the Medication Fact Book for psychiatry practice. Under the Cases tab, find a selection of short, focused case studies to help you apply critical thinking in real-world nursing scenarios. Each case includes a patient history, review of symptoms, short answer questions, clinical pearls, and references. Case coverage includes 4 key titles: AACN Essentials of Critical Care Nursing, Apply your knowledge with case studies aligned to the critical care content you already use. AACN Essentials of Progressive Care Nursing. Get practical, expert-guided case scenarios to reinforce safe, competent care for adult progressive care patients. Great prep for PCCN certification too. Pharmacotherapy Casebook, 157 patient cases focused on real-world drug therapy decisions. Build care plans, document interventions, and sharpen your clinical judgment. Ideal for NPs and PharmDs. Pharmacotherapy Principles and Practice Study Guide, over 100 realistic cases. Create patient databases and care plans using step-by-step forms. Includes follow-up questions and global perspectives. Track your progress with your Access profile. Mark favorites or assign cases for classroom use with unique URLs. Answers are viewable for learning, and results can be emailed, perfect for instructors and students alike. Under the Review Questions tab, users will find access to thousands of review Q&A across titles including Pharmacotherapy, Wound Care, and Nurse Anesthesia, perfect for nurses looking to reinforce their knowledge. The CRNA Review Q&A title is a complete review for the Nurse Anesthesia Certification exam. It includes almost 800 questions and answers and provides you the practice you need to excel on this exam. This title is based on the content areas that are tested by the National Board of Certification and Recertification of Nurse Anesthetists with question types that include multiple choice, multiple response, and calculation. Users can create custom quizzes or random quizzes in all of their review Q&A titles. Also available are test banks in adult gerontology, pediatrics, and family medicine with over 600 questions in these areas, written by and for APNs. Whether you're studying for certification or brushing up on your skills, AccessAPN has the tools to help you succeed. For additional support, please find the training and support page on AccessAPN in our support website, which includes videos, user guides, and much more. Also, feel free to reach out to the customer success team at customersuccess@mheducation.com for any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching.